How to fix TikTok video resolution not supported at this time. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from Help Deck. In today's guide video, I will show you how you can fix TikTok's video resolution not supported at this time. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So sometimes what happens is that whenever you open TikTok and try to post a video, it could give you the error which says TikTok video resolution not supported at this time. The reason why this happens is because TikTok only supports up to 1080p of maximum resolution. So the chances are that you are trying to upload a video which has higher resolution or format than that. For example, 4K videos or 2K videos such like that, which is above 1080 pixels and which is above the limitations of TikTok's video resolution. So in order to fix that, you have to simply upload or lower your video resolution to 1080 pixels or lower to 720p or 1080p, but not higher than 1080p. In order to do that, let's say you have a video on your phone, and what you have to do is you can simply downgrade the video using any type of video editor application. You could download CapCut, or you could download InShot, or any of the videos which you might have on your phone. And what you could do is simply install it and go ahead and simply set the video resolution to 1080 pixel, import the 4K video into that or any type of video which you're trying to upload to TikTok, and then simply actually render that video and try to upload again. Don't worry, you will not notice much of a difference, but that is simply how TikTok works. They haven't supported higher resolution format in order for it to make compatible with all devices and to load on very minimal internet connection as well. So we will wait until this video editor application actually installs, and I will simply open the app right on my screen. Once I open the app, you will be able to see a bunch of few different ads, but you have to simply deal with the ads, and you might also want to allow all of the permissions the application requires on the screen. Over here, you have to go ahead and select the video which you might want to upload. For example, this one, let's say for example, and it's tap on the check button and tap on next and tap on OK. Now you can see the resolution is currently like this. We have to remove the background. In order to remove that, we're going to simply tap on this canvas button which you see at the bottom left corner. So tap on the canvas button, and over here you can simply select this TikTok resolution right over here. As you can see, this TikTok logo as well, 9:16 ratio. So tap on that and then tap on the check button. Now once you've done that, you could basically tap on the save button which is on the top right hand corner of the screen. If you want to edit a few more settings, you could go ahead and do that. Now you can leave it to 1080 pixels because TikTok does support 1080 pixels, but you will not be able to render in 4K. Even if you render on 4K, your TikTok app will not support it. So go ahead and select 1080p and then tap on the save button, and it will take some time to import the video, and now you could go ahead and hopefully upload it to TikTok. This is how you can fix TikTok video resolution not supported at this time. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.